Today I have kind of a productivity hack for a Mac operating system that I came across when working on a file organization project for a client. And it involved doing a search and being able to copy a list of files. And so just to demonstrate, I have a photo archive that I have been working with, and I'm just going to tag some of these images with a color label. And these are more powerful than I originally thought for just being able to sort through and filter a group of files. Let's label some of these orange, some of these blue, and I'm just going to go across folder. I also have some food images. Just as a side note, I usually keep an archive of all files that I purchase and download just for use with future projects, which has come in very helpful. I'll do these gray and a few more. I'll do a few more that are blue and a couple more that are gray. And when I do a find, I'm gonna open up another window, Finder window, and I'm gonna do a search. And let's just say, for example, that I have some Illustrator files, AI files in these folders, and I also have some JPEG. So I'm just gonna do a search. So I'm just gonna do a search for JPEG images. It's in this folder, and I'm going to search within the folder where my images are located, and I'm finding all the JPEGs. But for example, let's just say I want to isolate the colored tagged images, and I want to make a list of them according to color. So I'm just going to add another criteria for my search. File label. I'm going to do red. I had some red ones. And the interesting trick I found was if I open up Excel, I'm able to actually just cut and paste these from Finder. I didn't know this. I've been a long time Mac user, and I never had occasion to use this feature. So there's my red tagged images, and then I can just go to orange, and there's one, and I can just cut and paste these directly from Finder into my spreadsheet. So for example, I also had some gray and some blue. So Finder is definitely not to be overlooked as a powerful feature for organizing files, searching, filtering, sorting, even copying, pasting. So I hope this is helpful. I thought this was a handy productivity hack that I wanted to share with you. I've been away for a while. I haven't recorded videos in a few weeks just because I've been so crazy busy with a bunch of projects that came in all at once. But I do have plans to continue to populate my channel. I'm passionate about helping people, graphic designers, get up to speed and learn from my mistakes and learn from tricks and tips and productivity hacks and techniques that I've been able to discover over the years just to make your path easier. And I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate your tuning in. And I want to deliver content that's relevant and helpful. So if you have suggestions, please post in the comments. Thank you for watching.